shortest distance between the lines is given by you know this formula, that is x2 minus of x1, y2 minus of y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, then a2 b2 c2. It's a determinant divided by root of b1 c2 minus c1 b2. It's a square plus c1 a2 minus of c2 a1. It's a square plus a1 b2 minus of b1 a2. It's a square. This is the shortest distance between the two lines here. Therefore, in this case, shortest distance is equal to determinant of, so 3 minus of 3 here, minus 3 here, so minus 3 minus of 3 here. Then minus 7 minus 8, minus 7 minus 8 here. Then 6 minus 8, 6 minus 8. Denominator terms 3 minus 1 1 here. Then minus 3 2 4 divided by root of 4 ones are 4 here, minus 4 minus 2 ones are 2 2 here. It's a square here. Then plus 1 into minus 3 gives a minus of 3 minus 4 3s are 12 here. It's a square here. Then plus, then the 3 2s are 6 minus of minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3 here. It's a square here. Therefore, this is equal to minus 3 becomes a minus of 6 into bracket minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 2 ones are 2, so right here 2. Then minus 7 minus 8 minus 15 minus plus 15 into bracket, so 4 3s are 12 here, so right here 12 minus 3 ones are 3 minus plus 3 here. 6 minus 8 gives a minus of 2 into bracket, 3 2s are 6 minus of 3 ones are 3 here. It's a square here divided by root of minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 square is plus 36 here. Minus 12 minus 3 minus 15 minus 15 square is 225. Then plus 6 minus 3 becomes 3 square is 9 here. Therefore, this is equal to minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 minus plus here plus 36 here. 12 plus 3 15 15 are 225 plus 225 here. Then 6 minus 3, okay, 6 minus 3 becomes 3 3 2s are 6 here, 6 plus 6 here divided by 6 okay, divided by root of so here 36 plus 225 plus 9 here. So in this case, here it is a 3 here, not 8, it is a 3. So right here that minus 3 here. So therefore 6 minus 3 here is a 6 minus 3. Then 6 minus 3 becomes a 3 here plus 3. Then 3 3s are 9 here, so it is a 9. Then sum of these two gives 270 here. Sum of these 3 is also 270. 270 divided by root of 270 here. Therefore, root of 270 can be written as a root of 9 into 30 here. That is the root 3 root of 3. 3 root 3. Therefore, 3 root 30. 3 root 30. So, fourth option is 30 here. 3 root 30 is the answer here. The mirror image of the point of 1, 2, 3 in a plane is minus 7 upon 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3. Which of the following point lies on this plane here? Is This is the one plane here, and here is one pointer they are given here. 1, 2, and 3. Take this point as up here. Then it's a mirror image is a point Q here. So it's a coordinate here minus 7 upon 3 minus of 4 divided by 3 here minus of 1 divided by 3. Okay, and here R is the midpoint of PQ here. R is the midpoint of PQ. This point lies on this plane here. Okay, first you find the midpoint using a midpoint formula here. So P into bracket 1, 2, 3 and Q into bracket minus 7 by 3 minus 4 upon 3 minus of 1 upon 3. These are given points here. Given point, and Q is the image of the point P here. Q is the image of the pointer here. Therefore, R be the midpoint of PQ, which lies on the plane here, which lies on the plane. Therefore, R is equal to, using a midpoint formula, so 1 minus of 7 by 3, 1 minus of 7 upon 3 divided by 2, then 2 minus 4 by 3, 2 minus of 4 divided by 3 divided by 2, 3 minus 1 upon 3, 3 minus of 1 upon 3 divided by 2. Therefore, this is equal to, so 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 7 is a minus 4, minus of 4 divided by 3 divided by 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 4 is 2 here, 2 divided by 3 divided by 2, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 8 here, 8 divided by 3 by 2 here. Then 2 1s are 2 2s are cancels here, so minus of 2 divided by 3, 2 and 2 cancels, 1 upon 3 here, 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 divided by 3. So coordinate of this point R is this here. Next to find here direction ratios of this PQ here. Okay, direction ratios of PQ are, so this minus of this here 1 minus of 7 upon 3 here, minus of minus become plus here. Okay, then 2 minus of minus here, 2 plus 4 divided by 3 here, comma, then 3 minus of minus become plus here, 3 plus 1 divided by 3, 3 plus 1 upon 3, that is so 3 ones are 3, 7 plus 3 becomes 10 here, 10 divided by 3, 3 twos are 6, 6 plus 4 becomes 10, 10 divided by 3, 3 these are 9 plus 1 becomes 10 here, 10 divided by 3. These are the direction ratio of this normal here. Therefore, equation of the plane here. Equation of the plane is 10 upon 3 into bracket x minus of 2 upon 3 and minus plus here, plus 2 by 3. Then plus 10 divided by 3 into bracket y minus of 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. Then plus 10 divided by 3 into bracket z minus of this 4 upon 3 is equal to 0. Each term contains 10 by 3, therefore dividing both sides by 10 upon 3. So remaining term is x plus 2 divided by 3 plus y minus of 1 by 3 plus z minus of 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Hence right here x plus y plus z is equal to, here minus of 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3n. So 3 LCM here. So minus 2 plus 1 plus 4n. 4 plus 1 5. 5 minus 2 becomes 3. 3 cancels. Remaining is 1 here. Therefore x plus y plus z here. X plus y plus z is equal to 1 is a equation of the plane. Therefore reject try one by one here. Put x value minus 1, y value minus 1, z value minus 1 here. LHS is not equal to RHS. Put x value 1, okay. Then y value minus 1 here and z value plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels, the remaining is 1 here. Hence the equation satisfied here. This point lies in the plane here. Therefore 1 minus 1 lies on this plane here. The pointer lies on the plane. So B is the correct option here.